Hello guys, today I am gonna tell you how you can manage the level of the cotton drying in the user mode in dryer MIELE. So in the first step we have to turn on the device and open the doors. Now to open the user mode you have to hold the start button and close the door. At the same time hold the button until you see the constant lighting. Okay, once again. Okay, now we are in the P01 mode and this function the level of the cotton drying. Now you have to click on start and set it from the -7 to 1. And the number 1 it's more wet, and the number 7 it's a maximum dry level. That's it. To set it up, just click on the start and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.